Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm going to show you the elevator. So if you ever have to go to the other side, to the 3 islands, or to the, if you're going to take a ferry or go down to the port or something down on the, is this the south side of the island, then this is your best friend. And it's like maybe a 15-story climb if you don't use the elevator. If you use the elevator, it costs €1. So I'll show you that and you can see what you think, but it's better than the stairs. Bye everybody. So from the ocean, I've seen this, or I've shown this thing before, but I've never actually used it. So I guess I'm gonna try it. I wonder if there's a fee to get in there. Access to lift is that way, or is it this? That's do not enter. Or you can take the stairs. And then this is the stairs. Which is crazy. Let me go ask this guy. €1? €1 to go up? Do I pay you or pay? I pay you. Okay. Let me get the money out here. So it costs €1 and you get to go up and down, I guess, if you choose to. Oh, and there he goes, leaving. So here we go. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Go ahead. All right, here we go. Okay, so it costs €1 to come up, and you get a free going down too. And that's this thing here. €1 return. Up and down. And so this is where it comes out. It comes right out at the battery where they fire the cannons. So anyway, that's what the lift is all about. But if you're gonna go to the, if you're gonna take that ferry, and literally the ferry is like right over the edge of this. And so it goes from here to there and then back again. And that's the 3 islands over there. But that's what it takes to do the huge elevator. Bye everybody.